Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential topic for all poultry enthusiasts: recognizing and treating common chicken diseases. Ensuring your flock's health is paramount, so let's get started. First up, Newcastle disease. This highly contagious viral infection affects the respiratory and nervous systems of chickens. Symptoms of Newcastle disease include respiratory distress, gasping, coughing, sneezing. Nervous signs: twisted necks, paralysis. Drop in egg production. Unfortunately, there's no specific treatment for Newcastle disease. Prevention through vaccination and strict biosecurity measures is crucial. Next, let's discuss coccidiosis, a parasitic disease affecting the intestinal tract. Symptoms of coccidiosis include diarrhea, possibly bloody, lethargy and ruffled feathers and decreased appetite. Treatment involves anticoccidial medications and maintaining dry, clean bedding to prevent the parasite's spread. Another common ailment is fowl pox, a viral disease presenting in two forms: dry and wet. Symptoms of fowl pox include dry form: wart-like scabs on comb, wattles, and face. Wet form: lesions in the mouth and throat. While there's no direct treatment, providing supportive care and vaccinating unaffected birds can help control outbreaks. Let's not forget staphylococcosis, a bacterial infection causing swollen joints and lameness. Symptoms include swollen warm joints, lameness and abscesses. Administering appropriate antibiotics and ensuring good sanitation can effectively manage this condition. Lastly, infectious coryza is a bacterial disease affecting the respiratory system. Symptoms include nasal discharge, swelling of the face under the eyes, and sneezing. Treatment includes antibiotics and isolating affected birds to prevent spread. Keeping a vigilant eye on your flock and maintaining proper hygiene are key to preventing these diseases. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more poultry care tips. Thanks for watching.